Hey friends! Join Sam and Aaron as they learn how to brush the right way. Morning and night. Let's keep those teeth clean and white. One sunny morning, Sam and Aaron walked into the classroom and saw something shiny on the wall. It was a big, bright poster that said, "Sparkly Smile Plan."
Sparkly Smile Plan. Wow, that's very good information.
What's good about it?
This chart helps us learn how to brush our teeth. It helps us feel fresh, clean, and ready.
Okay, but how exactly should I brush?
Great question. Hold your toothbrush gently. Then brush up and down. And don't forget round and round.
But Sam, why do we even brush every day?
Because tiny germs like to hide on your teeth. If we don't brush, they can cause cavities.
Is once a day enough?
No. We brush twice. Once in the morning, once at night.
Even if I'm super sleepy at bedtime?
Especially then, brushing before bed washes food away.
Do I squeeze lots of toothpaste on the brush?
No, you only need a little dash, about the size of a pea.
Where do I brush exactly?
Brush the front of your teeth, then the back, and don't forget the tops, the ones you chew with.
How long should I brush?
2 full minutes.
Whoa, that's longer than I thought.
It goes by fast. You can use a timer or sing a fun song.
Sam, what if I forget to brush for a day or two?
If we don't brush, tiny germs can stick to our teeth. They turn sugar into sticky stuff. It can make holes called cavities.
Yikes! Holes in teeth?
If we don't take care of our teeth, they become sensitive to hot and cold food items.
Oh no!
The tooth can start aching and we might have to get it removed.
How can I save my teeth?
That's why we follow the Sparkly Smile Plan. Let's go through it again. A tiny bit of toothpaste, brush up and down, go round and round, front, back, top, 2 whole minutes.
Okay, lesson learned. Brush twice a day. Use a little toothpaste. Go slow. Clean every part and use a timer. I'll brush every morning and night, just like we learned today.
You've got it. Let's see those sparkly teeth. Ready? Count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brush, brush, brush. Nice and slow. Morning, night, off we go.
Wake up, time to go. Grab your brush, go nice and slow. Up and down, round and round. Make those teeth shine all around. Brush up, brush down, brush all around. Scrub it up, don't let germs stay found. Swish, swish, bubble, bubble. Shiny teeth, no more trouble. After dinner, before you sleep, brush, 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 no crumbs to keep. Minty fresh, oh what a treat. Now your teeth are clean and neat. Brush up, brush down, brush all around. Scrub it up, don't let germs stay found. Swish, swish, bubble, bubble. Shiny teeth, no more trouble. Toothpaste on, don't use too much. A little drop is just enough. Brush the front and brush the back. Keep them strong, no turning back. Brush up, brush down, brush all around. Scrub it up, don't let germs stay found. Swish, swish, bubble, bubble. Shiny teeth, no more trouble. miss a spot. Front to back, scrub a lot. 2 whole minutes, take your time. Now show off your sparkly shine. Final countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. Brush, 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 nice and slow. Morning, night, off we go. Brush, 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 nice and slow. Morning, night, off we go.
Will you try the sparkly smile plan too?